Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitHub contributions to build a LinkedIn developer portfolio, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Look for the settings option, located in the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, find the profile section on the left sidebar. Scroll down to locate the section labeled Contribution Settings. Ensure that your contributions are set to be displayed publicly. Next, create a repository if you don't have one already. To do this, click on the green New button on the repositories page. Give your repository a descriptive name and add a brief description. Select whether to make the repository public or private. Click on Create Repository to finalize it. Now, start making contributions to your repository. You can do this by adding a README file or by creating code files. Make sure to commit your changes regularly. Each commit counts towards your contribution graph on GitHub. To further enhance your profile, engage with open source projects. Search for projects that interest you and check if they welcome contributions. Once you find a project, fork it to your own GitHub account. Make changes to the code or documentation in your forked repository. Submit a pull request to the original repository once your changes are ready. Regularly contributing to open source projects will significantly boost your contributions. Next, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Add Profile section button to include your GitHub contributions. Select Featured and then choose Links. Enter the URL of your GitHub profile. Add a brief description to showcase your contributions. Also, consider adding individual repositories you contributed to. Highlight any significant projects to attract potential employers. Ensure your GitHub profile is polished with a professional profile picture. Write a compelling bio that summarizes your skills and contributions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.